Finally, we finished our super awesome ray gun.
It can shrink anything, enlarge anything, and transform anything. What should we try it on?
Watch where you point that thing. Now turn this thing back to regular size.
Okie dokie.
Oh, what the?
Oops.
Give it.
What? Gun? Whatever, you can have it. I bet you didn't sanitize it. Probably covered in germs. Gonna get sick.
Oh boy.
Yeah, we need to hide the gun. As you know, there's the eternal struggle of good and evil, yada yada.
We need to have the ray gun with us at all times. We can't let it fall into the wrong hands. Oh, I should have drank that double slash. I really need to go to the bathroom.
Okay, so our informants tell us that the super awesome ray gun we need to conquer all life on Earth has been completed today. We need to steal it for the sake of evil.
That's our motivation? Who's writing this stuff?
We have to find a way into the scientist's secret laboratory. Let's all split up. Some of you can go through that window, or there's a window down there.
Hey guys, there's an unlocked door right here.
Well, yeah, if you don't want to have fun.
Gee, that's a lot of lasers in there. James, why don't you go in and pass it out to us? What? Why me? Why do I have to do it? You're the flexible one. That's your skill. We all have skills. Haven't you seen Ocean's 11? Yeah.
Do not go in there. I had the burritos for lunch.
I don't think that taco I had was too good. Wait, where's the rest of the gun?
You don't have it?
I thought you had it.
Wait, I know. Let's go check the security monitor.
Yes.
Oh man. It was Hookadas.
Hookadas?
Hookadas. Or the HKDS.
You don't mean? No, it can't be.
But it is. The Hello Kitty Death Squad. Tremble in fear.
We need to call the police.
And the fashion police to just see what they were wearing.
What should we do? We need to call for help. I think we should hire the A team.
No. As a habitual overachiever, I believe that we must call the A+ team. Hello, headquarters? Representative. Representative. I'm not representative! Give me a direct line to the A+ team.
Everyone just sit down and shut up.
You're not the boss of me.
You're not the boss of us.
Excuse me.
Oh, right.
Sorry, boss. Let's go muster up the Hello Kitty Death Squad and get that ray gun back.
Can we call them something else, like an abbreviation or something? Like HKDS?
I don't know why I pronounce it.
You're not calling them.
Okay, fine. Pretended like a cat coughing up in your ball. Now, where did I put that book again? So glad I finally got out of that. You guys ready to go? Can I drive today? What do you mean, no? Why not? You drove yesterday. Do you have any ketchup? No. Just asking. Okay, fine. I'll shoot you for it. Shoot me? Isn't that kind of severe? No! I mean, a game of horse. Look, there's a basketball ring right there. My turn. Hey, you're not really making those shots. The editor is helping you win. What are you talking about? Just watch when I shoot. See? Right shot. Now you shoot. See? There was a cut. Not fair. Totally fair. No, I'm never ever letting you drive. You'll have to drive over my dead body.
I want to get something to eat. Is anyone hungry?
Jinx, now you owe me a soda. Jinx, now you owe me a soda. No, you owe me a soda. Jinx, now you owe me a soda. Jinx, love Jinx, where's my soda? Jinx, 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 and Jinx.
Turn up the music, I'm getting a headache!
There they are! I see them in the ridiculous-looking RV motorhome.
Are we in the same type of RV?
No, this is a 1978 GMC Royale. That is a 1973 GMC Canyonlands. Hello, big difference.
Just step on it, will ya?
Nice to have some peace and quiet. Just remember, you can't talk until someone says your name 3 times. I'm so glad my mom named me Jinx. So guys,
Hey, if we're the A-plus team and awesome and everything, why haven't we caught them yet?
Like most overachievers, we tend to procrastinate. Guilty.
At least admitting we have a problem is the first step.
can we hurry up and do something?
Yes, I will use the cell phone relay tower and this phone to take command of their vehicle while writing down my grandmother's recipe for scallion pancakes. How's that for A+?
Chef's kiss.
Can you hurry up and do something?
Watch this.
go!
Guys, they're gaining!
Well, then do something!
Oh, here. Eat this!
A stuffed animal, look out!
Oh no, they didn't!
Use the vaporizer ray. We have a vaporizer ray right there. Guys, where did our RV go?
I hate them.
We did it! Yes, we did! Who drove us into the pool? My scarf's all wet. Hold on, where's the trigger handle?
Found it!
You found it?
Yeah, my ketchup! I've been looking for this all day.
But where's the trigger handle? Well, we need the trigger handle to shrink, grow, and transform.
We need to send our best negotiator for the task.
Of course! We should send the negotiator. The knitter. The one with the yarn. Who?
You! We need that handle.
Wasn't it on the ray gun? But it's not here. Do me a favor and go fetch it, and do not come back without the trigger handle. Never, ever, ever. Okay, I'll be back in 5 minutes.
Remember, the world's destruction lies on your shoulders.
Hi, guys.
Did you get it? Jinx! What's
We're not playing that. So, where's the trigger handle? You do have it, don't you? The handle, negotiator, the handle.
Relax, I got it right here. Give me the gun, gimme. I need to put the trigger handle on the gun to destroy the A+ team. Yeah, about that. You see, I bumped into these people. I think they were the A+ team. I don't know, but you see, I traded the ray gun for the handle.
You did what?
You said you wanted the handle.
We wanted the handle and the gun. We need the handle for the gun, and we need the gun for the handle.
You didn't say that in the first place.
What are we waiting for? Let's get that gun!
Yeah, it would, but I want to get 10,000 steps on my Fitbit.